Hello everyone. Today we're gonna try to do first unique character in string. I attempted this problem before, but I was kind of like slumped and I didn't understand it. But had a tutorial on YouTube and watched it and I understood it. So let's try to attempt this problem using a hash map. So at first we're going to basically let me give you an example. Basically for this one, the first unique character for this one is non-repeating. So we have to return that. And for this we have the first non-repeating character was L because as you can see it doesn't repeat and it would be the first one that's just not repeating, so we return index of 0 because you have to return its index, so that's why the output is 0. So let's just do this. So we're going to create a hash map, so hash map, and we're going to map it to a character to an integer. Hash map just call hash equals new hash map. Actually, okay, cool. Now we're gonna iterate through the string. Move my I. For int I equals 0, I is less than s dot length with the brackets because it's a string, and then I plus plus, and then we're gonna first create a current variable with the character. So car cur equals the s dot car at I. Cool. And now we want to see if the hash does not contain the set, then it puts it inside. So if hash dot contains key of current, then hash dot put current at I. Cool. So that just basically puts it at current. And then else, that means it's already contained in the thing. So it wouldn't be unique. So we would just put it as like -1 index, because -1 index does not exist in Java. So that's what we would just put. So you can just do hash dot put if. I don't think you need to put the, yeah, you just put this and then -1. Cool. I think that would work. I think. Okay, cool. Now we have like we have our setup for like if it's unique or it's not unique. Now we just have to input how to set up like returning its arrays. Returning its index. So we're gonna just create max or min a variable, and we're just gonna call it the max dot max. We're gonna loop through each character. Why is this? Oh, sorry. So for car C in for car C in hash, no? In the hash. In the hash. So if, okay, hold on. No, sorry. It's like hash dot key set or something like that. Because we're like, I'm understanding the characters, and those are all keys. Okay. set. Do we call the variable occur? Key set. Okay, I'm thinking. So if hash dot get c, if it's greater than -1, because at first we said -1 will not be an index. So if it's greater than -1 and hash dot get c is greater than min, because the minimum would change and it would be valid. So min equals hash dot get c. And this makes sense because basically here we're looping through each character in the key set, and if it's valid, that's its min value. So yeah, so we're gonna return okay, so return min equals hold on, no, okay, it's either gonna be integer, integer dot max value, actually max underscore value. It's either gonna be or the min. How would I input that? Integer max value or -1. Wait, -1 min. Sorry. Because if that doesn't work, then it's gonna be min. It's gonna be set to min. Sorry, let me run it and see what goes on, because I think the logic's correct. Oh, why is it capital? Hash dot get c is greater than -1. Yes. Hash dot get c is greater than and hash min equals return min equals integer dot max value -1 or is min. Oh shit! This is supposed to be min. Is less. Sorry, my fault. Is it? I'm tweaking. My fault. That's the correct answer. I didn't even. Okay, I clocked it now. Okay, this is the solution. All right. Thank you guys. My bad. All right. It's less than min.